For centuries, combat sports have been part of Russian DNA and culture. Boxing, buza, sambo, sistema, a melting pot of styles and techniques from across Europe and Asia. For some, it's sport. For others, tradition. For many, a way of commanding respect. For Petr Yan, it's a mission. Like many fighters who make Thailand their second home, Yan takes guidance from the region's world-renowned training destination, Tiger Muay Thai. And while the facility is world-class, Yan attributes great success to the mental fortitude instilled by his homeland.
Ну, вообще Сибирь — это такое достаточно холодное место. Вот, так скажем, выживают в большей степени.
Nice and tight, nice and tight. Yeah, nice work, man.
Ну и такое воспитание проходит в самостоятельном ключе, в большей степени ты...
2, 1. Yeah, nice.
Я до этого занимался различными видами спортами, там, и ходил и на тэквондо, и на бокс, и на футбол. Нигде, в принципе, я так не хотел задержаться, как...
This is a man with an educated jab, master of sport in boxing, and he knows one direction, that is forward.
И мне нравится заканчивать бои досрочно.
Welcome to the UFC, Petr No Mercy Yan, and what an apt fight name that is.
What an amazing addition to this bantamweight division. I've not been more excited for a debut in a long, long time. Oh, look at this! Power, power, power all the way through these punches. Oh, and he goes down again!
That's it!
Wow!
In his debut, Petr Yan gets the TKO victory. One of the most exciting prospects of 2018. Those around Petr Yan don't think it will be long before his label turns to legit contender.
He's something special when you watch him fight. It's really impressive.
Oh, this boxing from Petr Yan is superb. Look at these hands from the Russian guys here in the top 10.
Spinning elbow! How did he stay on his feet from that? Willing to stand in the ball.
Pounces on this opportunity, does Petr Yan.
Well, they don't come much more highly touted than this guy. Petr Yan, 25 years old, a perfect start to his UFC run at 2-0.
This guy's got so much potential when you look at him here at 25 years of age, really just getting his feet wet in the UFC. He's really trying to finish this second round strong.
And the Douglas Silva D'Andrade corner has just thrown in the proverbial towel. Petr Yan is going to win this fight by TKO.
After 3 dominating performances, Petr Yan proved he's committed to leaving his mark on UFC history.
Petr Yan is showing absolutely no respect for Dodson's pedigree. It's just a barrage. It's an absolute assault from Yan.
Still struggling to get off the fence.
Oh, knocks it down.
There's the power from Dodson. What does Petr Yan do with this pressure? Beautiful butterfly hooks.
How will No Mercy respond? The crowd are really getting behind this one now. This is the fight that we thought it would be.
Oh, and again, Petr Yan.
I can sense television sets being turned on all around the world, particularly from the guys in the bantamweight division.
For the winner by unanimous decision, Petr No Mercy.
He is one of the best pure boxers on this UFC roster. Petr Yan making the walk for his 5th UFC appearance.
Oh, he tagged him. He hurt him bad.
From Yan. Oh, Rivera trying to survive to see the end of this round.
Rivera's in big trouble. That's where he got tagged before. Oh, he ate an uppercut.
Rivera goes down from the uppercut.
Oh, that was nasty. Oh, that was nasty.
What a fight. Petr Yan maximizing the showcase here tonight.
All focus, all determination, no mercy.
The number 4 ranked bantamweight contender Petr Yan has never been stopped making his Vegas debut tonight. He's won 8 in a row. He knows one direction, that is forward.
He will look to put on a show tonight.
While most opponents, as Yan cracks a smile. Oh, knocked down for Petr Yan.
Oh, he hurt him.
This could be the end here. Big right from Faber now.
He stunned him. He stunned him. He stunned him. Big
elbow
shot.
strike from Yan.
No, you can't. And Uriah has had some success. He definitely did hurt him. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Petr Yan stops Uriah Faber in round 3.
Petr Yan is,
He is the real deal.
I don't know who wants to see that dude stand across the octagon from me.
After capping off his electrifying run with the knockout win over a living legend, the budding superstar felt that was his time to collect.
Now you've got to figure out what to do with the title. You've got Sterling and Yan saying maybe they should fight for the title.
It's Petr Yan and somebody.
One look at Petr Yan's UFC career, and it's no wonder why the former Russian champion was granted a title shot in the world's leading MMA promotion.
Нету того, у кого больше победная серия, чем у меня.
One way or another, at the end of this one, the bantamweight title will no longer be vacant. The Russian boxer Petr Yan, at 27 years old, he has arrived at his first UFC title fight. Former sparring partners turned championship foes with an embrace here. Whoa! Early land with the right by Yan.
Hard land. Man. Oh, that was a big one. And again.
Now a right hand.
He's looking for a finish. 1-2 down the pipe, and he's down.
He's hurt.
This could be it.
Trying to close things out here.
Look
Aldo
at
not in a good
this.
position to defend.
Jose Aldo right now is a sitting duck. He's tired, he's beat, he's bruised, he's blooded.
And that'll do it. There is a new undisputed UFC bantamweight champion. It's Petr Yan.